A Delhi court has reserved its order on whether to take cognizance on the money laundering charges against Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi and others in the 2000 crore National Herald case. The ED accuses them of illegally acquiring assets of AJL through Young Indian. The verdict will be pronounced on July 29 by Special Judge Vishal Gogne at Rausavani Court. Businessman Robert Vadra, husband of Priyanka Gandhi, appeared before the Enforcement Directorate today in Delhi. He was questioned in a money laundering case linked to the London property at 19 Brainstone Square. ED claimed the property was bought by the arms dealer Sanjay Bhandari and Vadra is its real beneficiary. Bhandari was declared a fugitive last week. Vadra denied all allegations while Priyanka Gandhi accompanied him to the ED office. At bomb threat called trigger panic at two schools in Delhi on Monday, Navy Children's School in Chanakyapuri and CRPF Public School in Dwarka. Police launched immediate searches using bomb squads and sniffer dogs, but nothing suspicious was found. Cyber experts are tracking the source. Similar hawks threats were recently reported in Gujarat, Kerala and Patna, raising nationwide concerns over repeated false alarms in educational and high security zones. The Supreme Court has agreed to hear the petition seeking removal of the ban on the release of the film Udaipur Files. Senior advocate Gaurav Bhatia, representing the film's producer, told the court that CBFC has already approved the film. He argued that release bans violation fundamental rights. Earlier, the Delhi High Court had stayed the release just a day before its launch. SpaceX Dragon capsule undocked from the International Space Station at 4:35 p.m. Indian Standard Time on Monday, carrying exhibition 4Q including Indian pilot Subhanshu Shukla. After spending over 2 weeks in the space, they're returning with 580 pounds of NASA cargo and data from 60 experiments. Splashdown is expected today off the California coast. The capsule's 22.5 hours journey includes precise re-entry, parachute deployment, and quick recovery operations. On the first Monday of Holy Sawan month, a large number of devotees gather at the temple across northern India to offer prayers. In Delhi, worshippers visit the famous Chhatarpur temple for special puja. In Noida, devotees offer prayer at the Sanatan Dharma temple. In Haridwar, Uttarakhand, heavy footfall was seen at Daksheshwar Mahadev temple as people perform rituals and pray to Lord Shiva. In a major update, ATS sources reveal that self-styled godman Changur Baba visited Kathmandu to build ties with Pakistan's ISI. Planning to marry converted Hindu women to the ISI's agent, he aimed to bring Rohingyas to UP for false conversions. He grabbed land via the Rabbani gang, tied to gangster Mukhtar Ansari. Close Aid Khan exposed his ₹100 crore syndicate. Changur converted over 1,500 Hindu women using coercions. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Shankar reached Beijing on Monday in his first visit since 2020 border standoff. He met Chinese Vice President Han Yang and discussed improving ties after PM Modi and Xi Jinping meetings. EM S. Shankar stressed open talks in a complex global situation and welcomed the return of the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra. He also met SCO Secretary General to discuss reforms. He will attend the SCO meeting on July 14 and 15. In a sharp message on Sunday, Donald Trump said he is very disappointed with Russian President Vladimir Putin, accusing him of talking peacefully but bombing Ukraine at night. Trump confirmed the US will send Patriot missiles to Kyiv, but declared America will pay $0 for future aid. He said Europe will fund the next weapons batch, calling it business and urging NATO to share the responsibility. In a small general aviation aircraft crash at London's Southern Airport on Sunday afternoon, triggering a major emergency response. Excess police reported that 12-meter plane crash was on fire, and emergency teams including the ambulance crew and fire services rushed to the scene. Flights were cancelled and the public was told to avoid the area. Authorities have not confirmed the number of people on board or their condition. Investigation is ongoing.